Home remedies for diabetes. Diabetes is a disease in which there are high blood sugar levels over a prolonged period which can over time damage vital organs. Watch how you can get rid of common cold using natural ingredients available in your kitchen. The carbohydrate that we eat is broken down into sugars, also known as glucose, which is then absorbed by cells to produce energy. Pancreas produces a hormone, insulin, helps the cell to absorb sugar present in bloodstream. In diabetic patients, either pancreas do not produce enough insulin or cell receptors do not respond to the insulin produced. This leads to lack of energy in the body, high risk of organ damage. Natural home remedy using Indian gooseberries. Benefits of Indian gooseberries: contains bioactive components, regulates blood sugar levels, helps pancreas secrete insulin. Take 1 tablespoon of gooseberry juice, mix it in a glass of water. Take this juice daily early morning on empty stomach. By drinking this water regularly, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Natural home remedy using mango leaves. Benefits of mango leaves: regulates insulin levels, improves blood lipid profiles. Now, let us start the preparation. Pour 1 glass of water in a vessel, wash and add 10 to 15 tender fresh mango leaves to this. Take a bowl, add some water and soak the leaves in water overnight. Strain the water in a glass. Drink this water daily on an empty stomach. By doing this regularly, you can reduce high blood sugar levels. Take some black cumin seeds. Take a bowl, add some water and add half spoon of black cumin seeds and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. Then filter this water into a glass. Take this water daily once. It reduces high blood sugar levels in your body. By following all these above home remedies, you can reduce your diabetes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.